Keto Chicken Florentine. Remember to subscribe, comment, share and like it. Click on the bell to be informed of the latest videos uploaded. Thanks. Preparation time, 5 minutes. Cooking time, 30 minutes. Servings, 1. Ingredients. 1 chicken leg quarter. 1 tablespoon butter. 1 tablespoon minced shallots. 1.5 cups chicken stock. 2 tablespoons heavy cream. 1 cup fresh spinach. Salt and pepper, to taste. Procedure. 1. Melt butter in a pan, then sprinkle shallots. 2. Add chicken on top of the shallots. Season with salt and pepper. 3. Add enough stock to barely cover the chicken. Bring to a simmer. 4. Cover and poach over low heat for 20 to 25 minutes. 5. Take chicken out of the pan and set aside. 6. Reduce pan juices to approximately 1/4 cup. 7. Add spinach and heavy cream. Simmer over low heat until sauce is slightly thick. 8. Return chicken into the pan. 9. Serve hot. Nutritional information. Energy 507 kilocalories. Protein 53 grams, 44%. Fat 30 grams, 53%. Carbohydrates 4 grams, 3%.